This is a review of Energize from Glynn Kosky, launches on Warrior Plus, June 2nd, 2021. We'll take a look inside the dashboard and see exactly what you get for your money, and we'll also talk about whether this product does what it's supposed to do, and whether or not this headline, World's First High-Ticket Elite Commission App for 2021, in 60 seconds flat, clone our automated high-ticket commission system with free buyer traffic from 400 million visitors, is misleading or not. So once you're inside the dashboard, you have the dashboard here that welcomes you to the video. Of course, if you purchase the upgrades, Pro, Unlimited, Done For You, Unlimited Traffic, 30K in 30 days, Super Affiliate, License Right, Auto Proof Boost, ATM Edition, Ultimate Edition, Automation Edition. Of course, the promise on the sales page is that they use this to make thousands of daily commissions with no experience needed, as well as elite buyer traffic in under 60 seconds, a secret source of 400 million buyers, as well as 100% done for you sites and systems, as well as all traffic is included for free. So I'm not sure why you would need to buy any of the upgrades, but those will be the upgrades after you purchase the front end if you were to purchase it. Here, the tutorial section. There are some tutorials that walk you through exactly how Energize works, as well as how to integrate with your autoresponder. You will need an autoresponder, as well as your traffic source, which is social sharing. And then it talks about delivering the bonuses. Of course, the concept here is you will create campaigns, and then once you create those campaigns, you will share those on social media or these other traffic strategies. That includes solo ads, as well as a deep dive of some of these YouTube videos that talk about more free traffic sources, which again is social media, and then some YouTube videos that you can see right here, and then a random Bitcoin investment opportunity. Which brings me to the fact that Traffic Beast was released on May 13th of 2021. I did a review here. You can see the sales page, which is basically a mirror image. You can see the dashboard, which again is basically a mirror image that allows you to create these campaigns that you will then share via social media to include the same opportunity to invest in Bitcoin. Glynn Kosky is a serial launcher of these same types of products, basically one a month. The basic idea of Energize, or the strategy, is to create campaigns, which are web pages, and you can see those here for 12-minute affiliate, passive income system, the fast tracks, or tube mastery. If you click on publish, you'll see the option right here to take these pages that are hosted on energize-app.com, which if you click view, this will show you the squeeze page basically that is going to create for you the exact 100% dummy proof system I use. And then if you click here, it will register them for a spot to join a webinar, which this is the webinar URL that it will redirect to. Then they'll see this page after they click the button. And then it says here, we are live. Don't close this page until the webinar is complete. So part of the strategy is to fake a live webinar. You can see here your webinar is in progress. And this is simply a recording of a video. But again, the strategy here is to make people believe that they are watching a live webinar. Then after they watch this recorded, faked live webinar with a fake countdown timer, they can click this button, register for the webinar, and then what happens is it takes them to a rewatch page, and then you can download the bonus here, which is a piece of PLR that if you click here at the bottom of the page, you can download. That'll be a zip file. You go ahead and open that up. Then once you open that up, you'll have a set of bonus articles and an ebook. And that ebook right here, if we'll go ahead and open that up and take a look at it, you can see the affiliate marketing blueprint, and you can see the quality of that PDF. Again, it's PLR that could easily be found online. And you can see here that that is the bonus that you're going to be giving away when you drive traffic to the squeeze pages that you create here inside of the campaign builder. Here's your bonus campaigns. Again, more of the same, done for you for Ambassador Program, CB Passive Income, Commission Hero. Here you can get your affiliate links for these different products. So if you want your affiliate link for the 12-minute affiliate, you simply click here to get the affiliate link. And it simply takes you to the JV page for the 12-minute affiliate where you have to apply to get your affiliate link on ClickBank, which you could do just as easily by going to ClickBank. Click here to get your free traffic. Of course, this is the free buyer traffic from the 400 million visitors that you're going to be able to use to make thousands in daily commissions with no experience necessary. Of course, here you'll watch this video Then what you can do is you can register for one of Glynn's other products that is old, called Affiliate Traffic Lab and Viral Newsjacker, Tube Traffic Machine. Here you can activate more free traffic. You can scroll down here and you can submit a form to be added to a rotator for clicks from one of their traffic sources. Then you can access and download these bonuses. Here's where I want to focus in on these bonuses and these product vaults. When you click on those, you'll get a PDF here called the Commission Toolbox, which is part of this product as a bonus. You'll see here that this was published in 2016 by Glynn Kosky. We'll go ahead and blow that up so you can see that this was again written in 2016. And you can see here it's going to talk to you how to get hosting, landing pages, traffic, set up email, and some more free ultimate traffic resource lists, which take you to how to get traffic and take you to these sources of free buyer traffic, which if you scroll through this document, it's going to reveal that these free traffic sources are none other than Instagram, Facebook, and solo ads. Then of course, again, down here you have the upgrades where you can buy the unlimited package, traffic upgrades, license right to sell this as your own, millionaire, ultimate edition. Again, right here on the headline on the sales page, it tells you that all traffic is 100% included for free, which is social sharing to social media, Instagram, Facebook, as well as solo ads. And don't forget, this is the same product that was called Traffic Beast on May 13th with your same bonus access vault as well as bonus 2 zero cost business startup guide that take you through the same social media sharing platforms such as Instagram and Facebook. Again, Traffic Beast was released on May 13th, 2021. Exact same training, exact same concept of Energize that you see here that is currently going to be on sale June 2nd, 2021 for $17 on the front end. And then a laundry list of upsells or OTOs, one-time offers that are designed to sell you more traffic, which it says here that all traffic is 100% included for free, as well as done-for-you services, which it says here 100% done-for-you sites and systems when you purchase the front end for $17. And of course, if you've never seen one of these products before, make sure that when you're on the sales page, if you are going to buy this product, to leave the screen, click away so you can get a $4 discount. And in this case, buy it for $13 just for simply saying, no, thank you. I don't want to purchase Energize. So a big thumbs down on Energize. Not recommended to purchase. You simply can't trust the vendor. This strategy of creating squeeze pages and sharing them to social media or buying solo ads is the same thing that's sold month after month by this vendor, and it's simply something that you should avoid. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, as well as if you're ready to learn how to build a real online business using affiliate marketing, click the link in the description and the pinned first comment for a free step-by-step training, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.